Hi, I want to show you something cool today. I've been working on this Visual Studio Code extension called DevDB. It provides zero config support for database applications, literally any application that uses database, right? During local development, of course. So out of the box, it provides support for Laravel, MySQL, even if it is a containerized Laravel application, like Laravel seal. And then, secondly, Laravel SQLite, right? And then Laravel. So this third one is for you are not even using Laravel. Perhaps you are not even using PHP. Perhaps you are working on some Express.js or some Sales.js application and you happen to be using SQLite as your database. You can point DevDB to the database file and it just loads it for you. And finally, hopefully you don't need to get to use this. It is like for cases where there are no configs there are no zero config like auto-loadable environment. You can have a dot file like .devdb.json file at the root of your workspace, and the extension just picks it up and loads your database for you, and it just works. So you can think of this like the way you will have your terminal, app that comes to your operating system, but you will most likely still be using the integrated terminal in your Visual Studio Code. Yeah, the same thing. DevDB aims to bring the database, experience during local development to something that is, integrated into your IDE, such that you don't need to go to Table Plus or PHP before you can view your data. Yeah, so let's give it a spin. We're going to be using PingCRM for the demo. It is a demo application for Inertia JS. Hopefully, if you don't know what Inertia JS is, yes, it's a cool tool. You should check it out. Maybe I'll leave some resources to Inertia in the description of this video or something. But we want to take this thing for a spin, so let's go. Let us start by copying this. Let me change to some code. Thank you. And then we get a composer install that after the cloning, of course. So I'm not going to edit this video. I want to make it as real as possible. Then because I'm lazy, yeah, bear with me. Then we're going to install npm dependencies. Then we're going to build our front-end assets. When this is done, of course, pretty please. Yeah, thank you. npm run dev. So I think at this point I should bring in Visual Studio for this project. Boom. Then we can continue with the with following the instructions. So the next thing we're going to be copying the env file. So let's do that. Copy this to that. Then the next thing is to generate our keys. PHP artisan generate, key generate. The next thing is to touch a database and then run our migrations, and then our seeder, and then serve our application. Thank you. Okay, so let me bring that up once again. Oh, sorry. Why is this happening to me? Copy URL, yeah. Thank you. Alrighty, so with our application working already, we can already see we have data. So magic, DevDB, see that tab? Boom. So you can see it only shows the will I what should I call this now? Is it modes that is applicable to the current application? So you will already notice that it is not showing the option for MySQL because this application is not using MySQL. We are using SQLite, so it has smartly only showing us Laravel SQLite and the file picker option that I mentioned. Okay, so let's go with this. Yeah, and then there are that jokes. I mean, why not? Okay, so we can already see contacts. Yeah, and it has paginations. Well, yeah, and you can edit it, of course, to have page 5 and all the cool stuff. So let us, for the sake of demonstration, maybe add some new organization. I'm going to magically fill it in, and definitely this is not the postal code. Email, phone, address, whatever, city. I think that works. Okay, page 11. Yeah, let's create another one because why not? So who's trending now? I think Sam Altman, the CEO, returned. Okay, organization, so that should be open. Well, I can't type no more. Okay, the postal code should be this. Let's create OpenAI. It should be on page 11. Or does it work? Okay, thank you. So yeah, let us go. Organizations. Let's go to the last page. OpenAI. Thank you. So it supports. So let's assume that the address is in JSON. So let's see. It's a JSON that says road, whatever. I can't do rem ipsum, and we update that, and so usually when you switch tab, it also loads that tab. What do you see? Pretty JSON. Yeah, I mean those little things are the things I like about the design decisions I made for this extension. So we can filter, of course. So let us filter for OpenAI. Yep. Out of P, and I love that. Like I love it. Okay, so what else do I want to demo while we are here? Yeah, I think you get the gist. I want to keep the video as short as possible, but I think you get the gist, perhaps under 10 minutes. Yeah. So yeah, what do you think? Do you think it's cool? I want to see like a comments to this. What other um, what other environment do you think I should provide zero configs for? I'm thinking WordPress, but I don't usually would use WordPress these days, so maybe that's too. I'm also thinking some more JavaScripty environments. So yeah, let me know what you think. Are you as excited as I am? I'm going to be releasing this thing sometimes next month. Today's 26th of November. I I plan to release this next month just to, of course, December gift, Christmas gift, you know. But mostly I want to still like clean up the code some more, make it easy for other people to like collaborate on because it's going to be open source, of course, and maybe add some other extensions for other databases and other environments, application environments for their Visual Studio Code workspaces. And yeah, just get like a structure around your project, and perhaps maybe I'll add some more support for some more environments before I launch it next month. So yeah, thank you. Let me know what you think. Bye.